Everyone for aha Ghana TV GH. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will notify. Everyone for is it NDC MPP for me? I mean, Grovoy opposition. I call it a word keke. Now I think say I'm enjoying MPP more in opposition than in power. Because the way Obiania Brino, I say 2024 defeat no, I call Obiamu star baby. And I say that Obiania Bre say the way everything they can do within their power, on behalf for MPP to return to power. It's communications, they say, especially with social media and so on. And easy. Confirm more brochure almost all life. Confirm more Ghana almost all life. National security, any IP address for hang for more my way mu. I Ghana for more my name. I'm MPP for. Omuko ba no one so live no. Just say obi antijayo because the way the country is going, wow share. And you obi catch it say we need to rescue this nation from the hands of this incompetent and incompetent 419 setters are buying. I end this for buying. But I didn't come for Bakunswa. Almost so much you mama MPP say. I come for me undercover jobs so. And then I made a program beyond. And I Papa Kubeka say, yes, see, Oman Penny, His Excellency, Wamunim. Yes, we see Diana Pastor B. Yeah, we see a sorry Diana Pastor B. Now, Bole Mafia, Bole Jackie Chan, Bole 419. Oba Abayemu first, no. The first thing we hear they say, we see any mission houses, be ama Assemblies of God are sorry. And no dear, ye can say, na sikanu nyaskanu free here. Ebra wo opposition 8 years in nano. Ultimately say in the dynama wa sorry. Ye to abama over Omampeni die. In record time. Ultimately nyaska ko see sorry dying mission houses. Na enwe no. Afede na esanti say Asan ko sit down ama osofo we a meka no nyame prophet. And see, was this all that it was about? Maybe so. So all the support for John Mahama said Yakupon was an adwin. They say there Yakupon see John Mahama kuma pa ono na Yakupon appointing so by your man penny. Yema kramoni bedi so. So all these things. Sa propaganda ni agenda ya mu ye nyina no to just because mu pese papa we embassy in sorry dying kese ama mo etimi e sure pa say sa sorry dying we no sa sorry dying no Holy Spirit bet me adwuma wo. I doubt, I swear I doubt. Sorry that I'm swearing, but I sorry dying crofo the poor people's money. Now politician be we are. Now we are now we are. Now be ma so for cat. Se fasi sorry Diana. Now so the sunya coupon. I doubt so much. Let's listen to this conversation. You can donate to this platform to support our bundle purchase, our equipment purchase by sending something to this number that is down here. We rely on your support to keep this channel going. I'll see the next one. Don't go anywhere. Cheers.
Now I will clear also the house of free below on Ghana. You know what? Your mama Bama Ghana man say the more dead.
On a set of mamma seen a sorry damano. It's a woman.
Okay.
Your mamma seen a sorry dino. Oh, I'm a cuckoo, sorry dine story building cassia. That man may far on. Friday me fan sorry dine. Your cuckoo sorry that bronze sign cassia. Eddie wa man not to say I so by the end of this year. Nyame 31st of this year. Obeya sorry was na sorry that new one.
Okay. Anya wo no waka intira obi be na na nka no so no sabi wo nya wo de a ene hwe Ghana yentua teacher for ka yentua nurse for ka yemfa adwuma for me ba wie school tifio na wo gina so dem na sabi papa panimu chesa wo no nya wo de awie ntino na ye nya nipa bi nso gu aso dem ho so church members ne boy nsem pra na Ghana panti Ghana be yini anyo nipa wo no abti wiase wo so no anka se ntranwene ma no ho mapam jo mama ama ayo Ghana for the dead obi ani age ama man ikonanim na masa akofa bronsam wi abetro man so 60 pa he ne koso Ghana na koko mi de dem yese koko sisa me no kasa mi koko ya karibi o yo koko no bese 15 bas wo ma kura no de yakura de a chete me ba Ghana ye ka ho asem ye tisa no kari koko no 4 months ni up to now koko no scandal he no that's here to ontu ai
ti kana bi ni o
na nne wo koye ya wo se koko no mateso wateso a nse bla ba ko be wo se wateso ye no what is saying wo de nkwanya bi ama wase o jamo no kro no sa wo no unya bi ma wase a enya mo no kro no se joma wo no ade no ko ban no hye dia wo beto ro ho no se wuntimi ntua ebi nka ho mo a wo de ho no ma no ho da wo se man no so amasate so koko na katua so kra na boso me na ni umtie
Mahama Yarega eye first majority leader. Or see you can't give what you don't have. Is the NDC face that wo ni bi da ho e no mo de amamu.
Wa bi ni ho no se ska no be omudi ska no mo chairman NDC members no na mo bi boy ti bi abetra Mugabe ho say omudi ti jawo mo na is the omani ba se mo be chisika ma microphone ne mo ma Ghana for ba se mo bebo omani na bo chire wo ye sa na enti etia nka wo jo mama wanim do bi uti ho mo se nka wo no o yare tisi a na no vice president yare na mo na ba UK na UK for no mo nyame ko ma che ama mo microphone nka man no bo nyam fidi a o yare ne baba no na maame no men onu me fabri mo bi se maama sa ma mo ka people ye so bomb so be pie wo ma bank yo se den ene maame be wa thank you kura wonte hwe wakila ni panyina wa infra mabone no elusio na jo mama ofa ha o kan no yi na no ankwasa semko sa be kam in 2020 so no o koko 50 acres koko 50 acres koko obi wo Ghana ho no obi wo 150 acres na wo 50 acres wo jo mama no wo penya wo te no wan omani tia wo ka patu awo ka wo tim omani toye patu nyina bibia wo da bibia wo tia la do tia hwe obi ti koko sabi now here we want now.
And then they also on to chia lights bill why? Also on to lights bill.
Also chia light bill.
Also on to chia.
O the only Ghana from Posa, o try Posa because on the same portion there. And the Juma, o try Posa, the Bias no buko to Kosia. Udi confoy, udi so udi confoy na motia to do too. It only there. Only Posa na tikana o ye kora na wi adako pe. If for kind one day, we go back to no. Wo ba to no su be duru no to mama de wode ye Ghana for no su be duru dakoro su be duru dakoro because we aso ontimi mani padodo entimi sia pene wo no abusua fon kwa de mu didi na mo me wo yira didi ama ne to ese do so na te ko tuntu ne nai na wo amanfo hwe papa fon ba e bi ma do afon aduane obi class omuma na school fees class ene and then crowd uko SSA crowd the video mo the video mo I wa ni me offer to ko SSC a me no ka SSC me ya de me wi a si fo makoko akosa ni ska koma no akomo ko school na wo to o ma we no wo mani ma se twafo ma wo mo no to wo so mo enjoy wo mo didi da correct feeling comfortable na wo no wa be sha wo bo na wo bae no wo pese oyi nipa amanfo na afa so na ekoka wo be dim poase wo no kora kokko no wo bi nti pensi no mo tene utibi ya me be twia me kase na university na bia se de he sabe wa ma yo ko twa kwa me so de wo nwi o man sika sa na da ko be waja ho obewu so be duro no mama de wo ye no
okay
because no to de ga wa se mo bin kase
anka me so me da say Berima, me pass 5 minutes here nko.
Me ba, me da se pa.
Me jo so Berima.
Miche obi a o gyina so ne obi a o wat.
Yeah,
Na
just
Max is Mame Amafusua, good morning. I really admire you. You know, there will be on a party so that was it. You said at the right time no. Reward na
Bema mi here sika twa me rent o. Koko sika na mba o. Cashews. And that from 30.
Give me number.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ma me pa to say the admiration ne nko anye enough. Me pa to wo admire ma admiration no bibi nta chiri mra because say koko akuafo Mahama ne ye ni.
I would DM you, don't worry.
Me pa to you that.
For Christ's sake, you are speaking to the overlord of Pipisa, the paramount chief of Dom Pipisa.
Ai, Mr. Yenim ta wo ye wo ohini mu a me pa to DM sister mama me. Bema yes bema nsi nsuo ma ansa na waham. Eti bema ye bibi.
Na my pass for 5 days.
Why do me one dance here?
Why the joy of the Lord? Na say the joy the only ma bra bo hu bio. Ene me see say me su data. The joy ni ma bra bo hu bio.
So oba constituency in the regional yenia sponsor political party. What you are going through, it is not easy.
Yeah, sponsorship na ya wo hanso ye hia bi. Why nti mesra wa enye Western region nko a.
Zawene hene. Unim say me kuku asemu a ba ya omo kan, you know, nioma e call na e fa na ade nyina kuku akuafo na omo ehunu omo so nsu omo so ansa na omo hu die mudu. Enye kuku akuafo nko a gold fo nso sa omo so nsu aso ansa. Na say madam fu bi. The gold ebeji more than 8 million Ghana cedis. Nkofo bi almost some gold board for national security. Board gold office, agent in office. But hey, yes, you can't and assessor good. You move me first car. Yeah, buy 5 million, 6 million. I ensemble baby. Iti Coco for the good for most you ask answer. One who said the moon some city. Now, and 7 o'clock on the MA. Hey, and pay me sorry, and I'm a TV home, and I'm share Joy News. That comment via will make here. Any idea? They say no free Western North. Nisika, and now for the time. No, I get 3,100. Before I could for no, I get 400 Ghana cedis. And now to buy or the PJ call 3,100. Or buy now so they or the call 3,600. Kuntumpa would be your opposition. Went to me and found cost 6,500 now can or they call 3,600. Actually, I'm out for the IMO budget. I'm out for a bobosia. Bear Busumi Numa as a senior wuntia. I'm out for a bobosia. Me traditional area. Koko akuafo bronya how near the gise moving pony to talk more chiche near ye ni de keka ho budget amako bi akoba bosia di yes or budget 3,600 bia no and sorry ya wakote so e about 2,500 na papa akokra na yi for every bodi nom ne Western North Samson ahimu ne akwabna minta kandom constituency ababa demonstration all that somebody like wo said ni party say wo Mahama yaraga to ukrom bokokra untimi nko wasai ho munyina makwa hye chirima ntokwa simo masai ho untimi nko ukrom sori be ka kire papa panyini ye aban NDC abaye kontompo ni ye hwie ni sika over 1,000 Ghana cedis enye wo John Mahama yaraga modi yawo ono papa no ni sika what me hwie 1,100 it is a nuko no what 10 bags when you over 10,000 Ghana cedis, what bono chrono to say. Now, so Boko Kwani bia chrono over 10,000 Ghana cedis. Physical we are. Now, Papa buy by a picketing. Oh, catch the Papa say, Papa, you couldn't pony. Or Mumbai picketing or South Cocoa house or then there few Western North will be travel over 11 hours. Over 11 hours. Catch us over you couldn't pony. Where you damra many, where you draw. Wow, say, and no ne idea me. Me Mahama dear said,
so say we can't give what we don't have.
Even if you promise that you can't give what you don't have. Not just a multi opposition, hono. Meanwhile, I'm right go school no. Say a drew promotion, so if you form 1, now call form 2. Now so failure. You repeat 2. Said the beya, Ubesua form 1 as a form 2, hona de no we. It's a repetition, no a repeat 2. Said the beya, ubetimi ye, ako when you are this young. Naya and Pembe, they hear him say, what would the cancer be done? Say, repeat you are. anka omo mbaba beto no umpo na ka at least obe pick up on term na one the first the second be near ade na you so why excel na John Mahama there one man say repetition there it's the most useless thing obi betumi and say obi repeat obi say nipa ni nsuya there. Mahama is a failure with certificate, a certified failure. For Christ's sake, the man is a failure. And yeah, some of us, we are vindicated. Me tena simple, me catch up say the man nipa na oba no. Oba se obewia no wakum no asai. Oba se okromfo obewia no wakum no asai. He doesn't have anything good. But cocoa farmers no sir minus his small scale man. Okay, they wouldn't listen. Those days. Okay, I am a man for say MPP for not communicators no one here in 2024. The communicators were there, they were communicating, but people were listening to the lies, the sweet tongue of John Dramani Mahama. They listened to those lies. For Enama Sabe, Ama ye cannot crash in 2024 crown or munti. So and that woo Mahama Yarega, why a Samo, you have been declared persona non grata ewo boko. You can't even go to your hometown. You can't go to your hometown. Uba bedidi koko ekuyafo atem. Ubedidi koko ekuyafo atem. This is not what you promised them. Oh, now and maybe you wanna say a koso na say yankan. Na yeni anesan so mi yomoti koko so na yemede. Because koko ekuyafo hwe His Excellency na dan koko for the yema koko ekuyafo. Omo anyi na ye. Same applies to your friends and nurses ni teachers. So ahuno. Enti na me de boni ya Mahama didi omo na yemede. But later